Welcome! Today, we'll learn about digital products, how people make money from them, and how to create them using Canva. We'll focus on products for kids. Digital products are things you can sell online that don't need to be shipped. Examples include ebooks, online courses, music, and digital art. Digital products are great because you don't need to store them, you can sell them to anyone, anywhere, and they can keep making you money even when you're not working. To earn money, create something awesome, open an online store, promote your products, and sell on multiple websites to reach more people. Canva is a simple design tool that lets you create professional-looking digital products, even if you're not a design expert. A niche is a specific part of the market. Focusing on a niche helps you target your audience better and makes it easier to sell your products. Ikigai is a Japanese concept that means reason for being. It helps you find your niche by combining what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can get paid for. We're focusing on the kids' niche because parents always need fun and educational activities for their children. There are many types of products you can create in this niche. Busy books are interactive activity books designed for kids. Busy books are popular because they are fun and educational. Parents love them, and they are easy to create and sell as digital products. You can make busy books using Canva or edit my BusyBooks template, just edit and add some activities. To make money with BusyBooks, sell them on websites like Etsy, Shopify, Racket.ph, Ko-fi and more, and promote them on social media like Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. And bundle them with other products to attract more buyers. In conclusion, digital products are a great way to earn money online. Canva makes it easy to create these products, especially for the kids' niche. BusyBooks are a fun and educational product that can be very profitable. Thank you for listening, and let's start creating!